Greetings everyone. Once again, welcome back to my channel. This is your mother, your grandmother, your great-grandmother, your sister, your cousin, your niece, your granddaughter, your friend. Did I say auntie? Yeah, I'm your auntie too, straight up, okay? Coming back to you again with another video showing you all out here in Ghana, West Africa, how it pour down rain, which is beautiful. I'm enjoying it. You see the rain coming down. I'm filming through my front window here, and this is my front yard. You see that rain come down, and it's high winds as well. And you can see in the distance, you see that gray in the distance past that brick house, that red brick house. That is the ocean / skies. You can't tell the difference between the two. And you can see the water pouring off the roof over there in the distance. Sister got water pouring off her roof, and she's catching it in a barrel. She has 3 different barrels sitting out there catching rainwater. That's smart. She is reserving water by catching rainwater in barrels. Absolutely. Listen at the sound of the rain, you guys. The rain is pouring down. You see the water on the screen here? On the window screen? It's coming down. So I have opened up my front door so you all can get another view. And you see the rainwater coming in because I have my door open. Which is okay, because this floor here is cement tiles, so it's easy to be mopped up. No problem. I ain't tripping. Ooh, it is wet. It is wet. The wind is blowing. Ooh, it blew my door shut. Look at that water come down off the roof. Off of sister's roof. That rainwater, she have it set up where it can catch. If they can catch the rainwater. Let me try to keep this door open. My foot is getting wet. The wind is trying to blow the door close on me. Hey! Ooh, I done got wet, you guys. But that's okay. There's such things as towels where you can dry off. Close this door. Lock it back. The wind is blowing. Yep. Anyway, power's out, lights out, doomsor means off and on, off and on. That's what they call it here when they have blackouts. When the electricity go out here in Ghana, they call it doomsor. Yeah. But I love to sit in my chair and watch the rain come down. All right, I just wanted to share this little bit with you all. The weather here today in Ghana, West Africa, I'm enjoying it. I am safe. I am not out in all that weather, as they call it in the States, nasty weather. But here I call it good weather, because the rain refreshes, it blows away pollution, it washes away dirt. Well, not dirt, I like dirt. Dirt is good, it grows. Fertilized dirt grows good food, all right? But it washes away the nasty germs and filth. Okay, so that's why I like rain. It smells so fresh. And to let you know, so no one get offended, I am not calling Africa filthy or germy. When I say the rain wash away the dirt and filth, I mean not the dirt, but the germs and filth, I'm not calling Africa that, absolutely not. I'm just saying how the rain washes it away. You know, when I was in the States, I said the same thing. You know, when the rain comes, it cleans, it purifies, you know? Yeah. And it makes things grow, because everything needs water. We all need water. Water is life, is essential. Water is very important to the body, just like breathing oxygen air is important to the body. So I'm loving it. And the sound of the rain and the ocean combined together, it's melody. Like Mama Imaka says, the sound of the ocean is like a lullaby. It's so peaceful and soothing, relaxing. Yeah, you guys, straight up. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video. I just wanted to show you all the weather here in Ghana, West Africa. Yep. All right. Talk to you all later. Have a wonderful day. Peace and blessings. Assalamu alaikum. Africa to the world. Straight up.